Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Skool. This is going to be a complete guide in which I'm going to show you every single feature and how you can use it. So let's start. So you're going to find a link down below in the description for Skool, and when you're going to click on it, you will get right here to create your community. So let's click on that together. Here I'm going to add a first name, last name, email, and password. Sign up. Now you're going to get a verification code for your email. And when you're going to paste the code, here you're going to get to the group name. I'm going to write here Infinity Creators. And then you have to choose between private and public group. So if you want to have it private, so let's say you want to like have a membership that people have to pay, I don't know, $19 a month to have access to your group, have it private. But if you want to have it public for everyone to access and see what is happening, you can do it too. Now, I'm going to have card number and I'm going to add a card, and then we are going to start a free trial. And when you will create your account, you'll get right here, complete your profile. So here you have to upload your photo, or you can connect it with your Facebook account. And then you have to add a bio. So I love creating videos on YouTube. I built multiple successful YouTube channels generating 20 to 30K a month. Now I'm going to complete the profile. And voila, here we are. So this is how your group is going to look like in the beginning. And now let's set it up. But first I'm going to show you around what you're going to find here. So here in the community, you can have all the posts. Let me show you the example of the Skool community group, where you're going to find that you can have pinned posts, and then people are just like posting here. When you're going to always open a post, and soon I'm going to show you how you can write your own, you're going to have like questions here, and then people are just writing here and they can reply to each other. Also, when you look here on the right, you're going to have like about your group, and we're going to change everything here soon. And here you can see how it looks like on the right side, that you're going to have the links here, some short bio that a person can join here, and then you're going to have a leaderboard. So that's how it looks like. That here you're going to find also the leaderboard later. Then you're going to have the classroom. Here you're going to have all the classes, and we will create a course there too. So when you're going to have like Skool community, and here you're going to have also like their own courses they have. Then you're going to find the calendar, and the same thing in calendar, where you can add various events. So let's say you can add here Zoom weekly call. So that's something that I personally do. Like if you want to learn how you can grow your own group, and if you want to learn how you can manage it, you're going to find a link down below in the description that you can join completely for free, and we help each other there to grow. And there we can have also calls. Then you can have members. So here when you're going to click members, you're going to find all the members in your group, or for example in this Skool community, and you can open it and you can see what they're doing, etc. Like what kind of groups they have, in what kind of groups they are in, and what are their contributions. So that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna do leaderboards. Leaderboards are like points for the activity people do on your group. So let me show you the example. Like this woman right here, or like this is level 3. She's also level 3. Then this guy here is level 4. And now when I look at it, I can always check here what are the leaderboards. Like for example, this is my demo account that I have, and you can see I'm level 1 noob. But then you can have like level 2 contributor, builder, craftsperson, and you can set it up. Grandmaster, goat, level 8 wizard, and god. And you're gonna unlock like different things. What is really great thing to do, and this is just my recommendation, if you want to increase the engagement for your Skool community, you want to have, when you're gonna have your own courses, you want to have them behind the leaderboards. So it's for free, but you have to engage to like have it. So for example, a person is going to, for YouTube channel, I'm going to show you the example. If I'm going to have the classroom, and I would have one course about monetization, and it's going to be for level 1. Okay, level 2, someone needs to do engage, and they're going to be how to be productive on YouTube. Then level 7, how to make money on YouTube. And when someone's going to get to the level 7, then they will be able to access my course. It's completely for free. All they have to do is be in a group and help others and communicate. So in this way, this is like highly great and effective. Another thing is that what is great, you can have like leaderboard here, 30 days, 7 days, and all time. And this is something that is going to build like greatly your engagement. So you can have the leaderboard, 7 days, 30 days, and all time right here. Now, when I go further, you can have about page. In about page, you're going to have like, what is your page actually about? This is something that I definitely recommend to spend some time in, where you're going to like write here who you are, what you're trying to achieve with your group. Then on the top right, you're going to find the chat and then notifications. And here you can switch between groups where you're going to be. And now let's click together to settings and let's set up our group. So when you're going to click on the settings right here, you're going to have multiple options what you can do. So first is going to be the dashboard, where you're going to find the subscriptions like paid members and monthly recurring revenue. Then you're going to have the payouts. Next payout will be in 1 day. I don't have any payouts because it's a new group. Then you're going to have invite here. When you're going to click on invite, you can invite people. So you can write your email address, or you're going to get an invite link to share. So you can share this invite link with others. So I can copy it and just paste it, and then people can join the group. Then you're going to have the general, where you can upload the icon for your group and upload a cover. Then have a URL and group description. So as you can see, you can change the URL with a paid account, and you can upgrade it if you want to. And you would start right now the $99 a month subscription. Then you're going to find right here the group description. Then let's say what I'm going to write here. This is a group for people who want to start on YouTube. Okay, and when I'm going to try to update the settings, let's say, look what will happen. You're gonna find the description right here. When I'm going to press the settings again, and when I'm, let's say, I'm going to change the color to red, or to even, I don't know, red is fine, and update the settings, everything is going to be red. Then you can change if it's going to be the private or public group. Then you can have the subscriptions. This was a new feature. I know when you're watching this video, but it was like added a few days ago. So I'm going to add a price here. And what you can do, if you want to have a paid community, you would add a price. You need to connect the bank account. And when you will add your bank account, you're going to click here, add a price. So here, let's say I want to have my group to be $29 a month. I'm going to just add a price. And that's it. And you're always going to see how many members are actually paying right here for your group. Now, when you go further, you're going to have categories. Here, you're going to have general discussion. And what you can do is to add a category. So categories are really important for your community to navigate in your group. So when I'm going to press here, add a category, I can add a name. Let's say this is going to be monetization. And I can add a description. In this group, we talk about monetization and questions you have about that. And you can gonna have like permission. Anyone can post, anyone can view. Okay, click add. Then let's add another category, and name is going to be, let's say, share your wins. Your wins. You can share your wins right here. Okay, and now when I'm going to close it, look what will happen. I'll refresh the site, and you see right here that you're going to have your groups. This is something that I definitely recommend to do, and I'm going to show you example. when I go to Skool community, look at this. They have like how I use Skool, product question, feature requests, and you get more of these. So that's a great thing to have for your community to navigate. Now, when we go further, you can have plugins. So plugins are a really great thing to have also if you want to have it like integrated with other apps. Then you're going to have metrics where you're going to find past 30 days, your group stayed at 0 members and 0 members were active. And you're going to have like all the data right here. Gamification. This is where you're going to have the leaderboards and set up the levels. So let's say I'm going to edit here. And you're going to choose also the course. I'm going to show you when we're going to create a classroom, a new course, how we can edit these and how we're going to allow some kind of course. Then we're going to have links and share important resources with your members by adding links. These are the links that you see right here. So when I'm going to click settings and add links, I'm going to click add a link and I'm going to add here a label, and label is going to be, how would I call it? Let's say YouTube channel, and I'm going to add here URL. So let's say I'm going to just find a random YouTube channel like this one and paste the URL. And you can have like private, only members can see, or public, everybody can see. And you're going to click add here. Now, when I'm going to refresh the site again, you can see that there is going to be a link right here. And then when you're going to press settings again, you're going to have billing and referrals. These are all your billings and how many referrals you get. So you can have like a 40% recurring. So when someone is going to create a group from your group, you're going to get 40%, which is pretty great. And if you're going to have someone that you want to recommend a school, you can do it with the link here. So yeah, that's pretty much about it and how you can set up the settings. And now let me show you how we can post something here. Writing post in Skool is pretty simple. So I'm going to click here, write something. And here I can add a title and then write something. So I'm going to, let's say, how is your day? And I can just start writing here. What you can do is you can add attachments to it. Then you can add a link. Or you can add a video that you can have like YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or Vistia. Then you can add a poll. So when you're going to click here on adding a poll, you can add options here. Like let's say that you're going to ask from where you're consuming most of your content. And you're going to be podcast, newsletter, etc. That's something that you can do here. Then you can have add an action. Introduce and share a picture of your workspace. When someone comments, the action will be marked as complete. And you can have it right here. So have an action. Then you can have add emoji, or you can add a GIF. And you're going to have like in which category this post is going to be. So you can choose the monetization, wins, or just general discussion. And when you're going to have it, then you can just like post here. And what you can do also is you can send email to all members. So what is going to happen? Turning this on will also send this post to all members of your group via email. You can only do this once every 72 hours. Now this thing is like crazy good. Let me explain. So imagine that you're going to have your own group of 2,000 people that are active. And you're going to have and transition the free group to your paid group. What will happen is that you want to notify them and send email to all members that, hey guys, we got a new paid group. If you want, you can join. And all these people are going to get it. So you can have it in a way as like a newsletter. And this is like a top-notch thing and really innovative and great. So for me, this is like amazing. Just use this feature in the future. Then you're going to click post. And let's choose this to monetization like this. Okay, when you're going to have it, you're going to have the post right here. I'm going to click on it. I can like it. I can write a comment. Pretty good. And people can attach something to it like link, YouTube GIF, and I can comment it. And of course, someone can reply. right? Then on the top right, you can have watching, and you can watch like get notification when there is a new post activity. And then you can have 3 dots here. So you can edit the post. You can change the category that we have right now, monetization, to something else. Then you can delete it. You can copy the link, or you can pin it to feed. So let's see. Right now, when I click on here, you can see it, and this is like pinned post. So that's the same thing as you would be in a Skool, that you see that here are pinned posts, right? You can pin to module. If you have one, you can do it. And then you can report to admins or turn off the comments. So that's pretty much how it works. And this is how you can add posts in Infinity. Now, when I go to monetization, I'm going to see it right here. The next thing I want to show you is something, in my opinion, really important. And that's have like a screening when someone wants to join your community. So when you're going to click on settings, right here on the bottom right, you're going to have the plugins. Here, you're going to have the membership questions, and you want to edit those. And I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to click here, add a question. Now, I'm going to write here a question. So let's say, what is your YouTube channel? And it can be multiple choice, email address, or text box. Add. Then I'm going to add another question, which is going to be, what is your goal with YouTube? Add. Now, what is your struggle with YouTube? And then we have the 3 questions right here. Now, when I go back, I have the questions. And when I'm going to be in community, and let's say I'm going to be right here, and I can join it for $20 a month, as you can see, but let's say it's going to be for free. So let me just give it subscriptions. Make current. Okay, you see right now the questions. And then people are going to submit it, and you have to approve it. So have definitely some screening here, so you can have a high quality members in your group. This is so damn important. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can add a course. But right before we're going to start with the course, you're going to have like the membership request pendings right here. And we can approve them, decline when someone's going to request that they want to be in your group, or you can ban from the group or chat with the person even and write them. Then click here on Classroom and let's create a course. So here I'm going to click New Course, where I'm going to add a course name, which is going to be Productivity for YouTube. And now in the course description, I will write, in this course, you will learn how to be more productive and what tools are helping me to be more productive. Who can access this course? And you can choose if they are like all members have access, only some members have access, or members of certain level. So when you're going to choose the all members, whoever is going to join your group, they're going to have access to it. When only some members have access, this means that only some people that you're going to choose will be able to like have access to the course. And then members of certain level, here you're going to choose at what level a person can have access to the course. Now this is for the leaderboard. So when someone is going to be really active, you can make this on level 5. In the moment when they're going to be level 5, they will have this course enabled. So that's something you can do. Then you can change the cover, and then you're going to click add. Now you're going to have sets and modules. So imagine this is like a section, and then you're going to have a lesson. Module is a lesson. What you can do is you can edit the course, add a set, add a module, or delete a course. So for the new set, I'm going to click here, edit the set, and let's say this is going to be what helps me to be productive, or my biggest mistakes with productivity. And here in the module, I can edit it and write here my story and how I became more efficient on YouTube. Okay, you're gonna add a video. Now this is a pity that you can't have right now. You can upload a file. Maybe if you're watching this like 1 year later, you are going to be allowed to upload a file for Skool, but right now you just can add only link. So let's say I'm going to some YouTube video, paste it, and let's say this is like the video that we have. Then you're gonna have like H1, H2, H3, H4, and you're gonna write here like description of it. You can add bullet list, icon, links, all of that, even divide line. So that's about it. And now we would click save. What you can do always is to add a new set, which can be tools, how to start morning, right? And a person can be, and just choose that. So that's pretty much about the courses and how you can set it up. It's really simple, really effective, and easy. And now let's go for calendar. So here, when you're going to be in your calendar, all you have to do is click plus here. Now we have to add a title. So title can be YouTube weekly call. And we're going to have it every Friday, recurring event. Then we're going to choose a time. Let's say it's going to be at 6 p.m. Duration 1 hour and a half. And it's going to be, for me, Euro Bratislava. I'm going to repeat every week on Friday. And you can have it every day, every month, every year. And ends never or ends on. You're going to choose that. Then you're going to have like a Zoom link that it will be in. Or you can add a Google Meet or address or just Zoom. And then you're going to add a description. Right? When you're going to do it, that who can attend this event? Members at level, members in course. So when, let's say, you can have members at free level, then those people can be it. But I would recommend having it for everyone because there's like a really good way how you can provide value to people or members in course. So remind members by email 1 day before. This is a great thing to do. And I like that. And you can just upload cover image here. So now I'm going to click add. And look at this, what will happen. Right now, when I just move here, every single Friday, we have a YouTube weekly call. And what you can do is that even if you want to go further, every Monday, you can make a call for people who are starting out and who wants to get things done. You can have a call here too. So that's about it. Then you're going to have members. This is also like events right here in September. This is another way how we can do it. So when you're going to click calendar, you can have it for here. Then you can move here between the months. You can click plus here to add an event. And then you're going to have the option to have it as a list for every single month. Now, the next thing I want to show you are the members. Here you're going to have the members where you're going to have the active, canceling, and churned. And if you want to, you can filter it by status, online, free, who are paying $29 a month, and who are like newest, last active, and who got the most points. So here are you going to find all the filters, and you can always invite someone. Then you're going to have leaderboards, where you can find all the leaderboards. And then you're going to have a 7-day, 30-day or leaderboard full time. So this is something that I was talking about already, and you can set them up. And then you're going to have about page where you're going to write everything regards about your page. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video gave you a little bit of value, and I hope I helped you further on how you can use the Skool. Of course, if you want to, you're going to find a link down below in the description for signing up for Skool, and you can join my community in which we are helping each other to grow. So have a great day and goodbye.